Hey you guys, welcome back to Fat Girl Food. So if you saw my last video, you saw that I bought a 6-quart Instapot Duo Nova. And today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys the Instapot Zest rice and grain cooker. So this is pretty much just a Instapot that you can do like grains, rice, oatmeal, that type of stuff in. So this is the 8-cup model. It also comes in a 6-cup model, I believe, so it's a little bit smaller. The 6-cup model is actually pretty hard to find, so I went ahead and got the 8-cup model because we like to eat rice in my house, and on occasion we will eat oatmeal. So just taking a look around the box, it kind of tells you like rice, oatmeal, quinoa, and many more. You can steam vegetables as well. And then when you go to the other side of the box, it kind of shows you within the box. So you have the steamer rack, which comes in a lot of just regular rice cookers, like the plastic rack like that, the measuring cup, and then the spoon. So all this stuff is kind of pretty standard for all rice cookers. So those aren't like special tools that you get in this one. And it just showed you large capacity, easy LED screen, smart. So just some really cool features. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. So when you open it up, it'll kind of give you like the product overview, show you the different buttons, the handles, and all that good stuff. It also shows you that there's a quick start guide, a safety manual, and then the other 3 things that we saw on the side of the box. So, it's opening it up. First 2 things that comes out are the safety manual and the quick start guide. Also in the box is a little rice scooper. I've never seen one that was textured like this. That's interesting. I wonder does that help like the rice stay separated from each other. That's pretty cool. And then this one has the cord actually attached, which the other one, the Instapot, doesn't. Then here it goes. So on the front you have the different settings. So you have the white rice, the brown rice, the quinoa, oatmeal, steam, delay start, keep warm, and cancel. And I'm sure you can finagle these for whatever you are trying to put in here to kind of change the settings and tweak the settings. Like I said, unlike the Instapot, the cord on this one is actually attached, as is the condensation cup holder, whatever they called it. So whereas on the Instapot, you have to actually install those yourself. So just a couple noted differences. And so to open this one, you actually have to press this button right here, and it comes up like this. This lid does not come all the way off. And then you have your steamer tray, your measuring cup, and then your inner pot. So very standard. And on the inside, you can see it has the different fill lines on it. So let's just take a look in the quick start guide, see if there's anything we need to know. So this is the quick start guide. It has one of the smaller ones and one of the bigger ones on it. Tells you about the initial setup. And again, the product overview, everything that you should have gotten in it. Again, just tells you about all the buttons and safety features. More safety features, how you cook grains, unplugging, starting, off. So, all good tips you should read through. I don't see there being like an initial test or anything, so I guess you were just free to start using this one whenever you so choose. So we'll go ahead and cook some rice in this one and show you guys how it does.